Children, please open English class workbook, page 94 to write A sound words.
What is this? This is a red. So, standing line, go up and a turn. R, C curve, go up and come down. That is A, standing line and a turn and a slipping line. That is T, R-A-T, red. R says Ra, A says A, T says Ta, Ra at a red. R, A, T, red. Now what is this? Bat. So standing line, go up and a reverse C curve. That is B. C curve, go up, come down A, standing line and a turn, that is T, B-A-T, bat. B says B, A says A, T says Ta, B at a bat. B, A, T, bat. Now what is this? Head. Then standing line, go up, turn and come down straight. H. C curve, go up and come down. A. Standing line and a turn and a slipping line. T. H-A-T, head. H says her. E says a. T says ta. Her at a head. H, A, T, head. Now this, what is this? Mat. Standing line, go up, come down, again go up and come down straight. M, C curve, go up and come down. A, standing line and a turn. T, M-A-T, mat. N says Ma, A says A, T says Ta, Ma at a mat. M, A, T, mat. Children, this is how we will complete the whole page. Write neatly.